is mod 1 for triangle position into half moon pose. Starting in mountain position. Feet hip distance apart, toes forward, stable through the lower body. Find that nice extension through the spine. Stepping back with one foot, we'll step back with the right foot, just finding about 3 or 4 feet between the heels. Right foot in at 45 degrees, left knee micro bend, pointing over the second and third toe of that front foot. Opening the torso, reaching the arms just below shoulder height. You're gonna reach your left arm forward, pushing your right hip back, and then when there's no more range of motion, just placing the left hand down on the inside of that left knee, reaching the right arm up. Gaze is forward, back of the neck is long. Try not to collapse into that left body. Keep the left body really strong. Gravity's gonna wanna pull your torso to the floor, so we're using our core to stay supported. Check in with that left knee. Notice if the knee started to fall in. Maintain that external rotation of that quadricep, pushing into that left big toe mound. To transition into the balance, take a peek down at your left foot. Heel toe your right foot in, and then from here, start to test the water. Start to balance on that left foot, lift that right leg up. Maybe you take a little break until eventually you lift that right leg about 30 degrees up off the floor. The gaze starts to look towards the lifted leg. Balancing here, try not to hold the breath. To come out safely, bring your left knee into a bend, step your right foot back, and step back up to mountain. Take a breath here, big inhale, let it go.